my name is Sunny, and I'm a recent graduate from the University of Southern California.
I've always had a passion for helping other people.
Passion is a really big thing, I think, for students. The one thing that I do want to say is passion is something that you'll be holding on to for the rest of your life. It's going to kind of dictate your life course. So give it kind of the time and effort that it deserves. So don't be in a rush to figure out what your passion is, because if you're rushing to find your passion, you may end up with something that's not really your passion. If it's that important, it will take time, it will take effort. So figure out the small things you want to do, and if you don't know what you want to do, then maybe you can figure out the things that you don't want to do and then cross them out. It's just never be stuck in something that you don't want to do, and one day you'll arrive at your kind of destination, if you'll call it, and you'll be enjoying what you're doing. My passion is still helping people. What has happened throughout my college years is it's just been evolving, it's been more specified, it's been broadened as I explore my own interests. For example, I want to help mostly like the younger population. I want to work with children and adolescents. So my passion has developed from my desire to help people. It's something that I want to do as just like a human. I love just helping other people, but it's also a goal for me as almost like an academic researcher. How to help other people for me is by studying cognition, the way that people think. I want to bridge the gaps between the thinking so people can get to understand each other better. And that's what I ultimately want to do. So it kind of aligns my just desires as a human to see just a better, happier world, but also as a researcher too. And that is just how to do that. And for me, that's by research and studying cognition. So that's what I want to do in my future.